Honolulu has a pressure of 300,000 people.
So tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time.
Hawaii has a pressure of 1.5 million people.
Just something to do. Thought I never